Oh, today is quite interesting. And this is my trade. I traded like yesterday. I made $5,000 because I bought another challenge yesterday. And was a trade. I should have left it. If I left it, I would have passed it even without it. Without me selling today because of the behavior of GBP USD, and then I couldn't pass this yesterday when I bought it, and I made like $5,000 and closed it at I. And today, if you look at it now, I changed this one to the USD card because I'm trading USD card, and then GBP USD. At times, I used to add another let me just call it another pair like Euro USD. Euro USD seems to be a bit, you know, consolidating most of the time, and sometimes I get exhausted because the behavior of GBP USD is not the same with the Euro USD. So, and this trade now, I sold it because of after news. This the news went up, and then in the around 130, and I realized that there's no sign that this thing is going up anymore. And then there was range. The market's supposed to be moving in this range. The range, they already have the range there. I didn't expect to go beyond that range, but that was the reason I was selling, kept selling. I bought 10 lots and then had 5 lots, making 15 lots on 100K account. And if you see it very clearly, you will realize that yes, I sold it. And then the news again around 3 is supposed to push it down towards the line descending support, but unfortunately it didn't get there after hurry pass, because if I didn't add extra 5 lots, I wouldn't have passed this. I would have made $3,000 within that short period of time, because it's less than an hour. Even within that around 3, I opened the trade, and then till before the 4 o'clock, I think that's when I pass it. Now, if you look at it now, you can see that it's going towards my take profit, which leads to my my account being passed. It was really fun, and it is really exciting because I believe that it's supposed to keep falling, but I couldn't risk it, and I couldn't risk it. So I had to be checking, and then I'm waiting for a trade. I already have trade in USD card, but the price was not going as I was expecting it to go. I was expecting to go to that point where I have my rising resistance and that triangle, that rectangular box there, so that I would just sell. But the sale did not forthcoming, so I just left it because I have another funded account that I'm supposed to trade, on that pair USD card. But I'm already on trading here, so I'm trying to capitalize. I'm waiting for that one for that USD card to pass. So now it's moving towards my take profit now, as you can see, and it's getting towards that. And the emotion was not really ranging because I expected it to be like that. I expected it to come down, to keep falling, but this forest, you don't know when it will reach. You can see my chart. I expanded it a bit so that I can see where it's supposed to be resisting, and that is the point I was expecting to fall. I missed those sell before the news because I was expecting to. I was thinking perhaps it could be the time that we go up, but when I enter sell, that's when it broke that support and that resistance that was assumed to have turned to support, but the turn is fake support. It is fake out somehow. So I kept selling, and I sold 15 lots in those two trades. So, and then it was moving. I was feeling like, wow, moved. This is actual news. The news has ended, and this is a sign that market is not going anywhere. Today is Friday, and today's Friday is not the one that will make the market go to one direction. But I'm expecting another touch on that trend line. But that's my target. But I'm happy, and I didn't count on that lower low trend line. So I quickly added, because I used to trade 10 lots most of my trades. So I just added another one. And then when I saw some signals from this, I calculated this. I was saw that it was like 4 pips before I passed that account. And so it was really, really like, what's going on? Move towards my move now and get to this, my take profit, and at the end of the day, I could see that it's eventually get there. So you see how it got there, how it ticked, and then I passed it this afternoon. 8% of 100K account. That was $8,000. But this is $3,000. I made $5,000, as I said earlier, on this real video. So if you can see it now, everything is possible in Forex. So if it's actually my real money now, or if it's like funded account now, that would have been 80% of $8,000 or $3,000 if it's today. I just traded it. So, but you know what? I couldn't trade my main, the other funded account. So I believe that it is really quite interesting about this Forex of a thing. It is trying to see what's going on. Like, let me just trigger it and get out. So when it got closer and closer and closer, and it touches a bit, but because of the spread, it touched it at this point. If you look at it very well, but the spread is about 1.1, so it will take it to go down a little bit lower than that TP, the TPs that I have there, because I already calculated it. I don't need extra money there. All I needed is just $3,000 to pass, and then after passing, I can close it, because I still have 1 day minimum. 1 day to trade a little, small lot size, so that I can pass. I can move to the next phase 2. So that is just 2 days trade. This feeling, we'll see it now. It was going up. I would see if it wanted to reverse, and the tension was rising. Move a bit, move. I was like, what's going on? Just get there and trigger my take profit, and let me just call it a day for this account, because I have another account, another account I'm trading that I sold again. I sold at that point too. And because I've seen that it has moved about at least 50 pips, or close to 50 pips, and it went a bit above it. It went a bit above it, and so I entered my funded account. I sold again with 10 lots. That one I recovered my losses I made yesterday. I made losses in my 2 funded accounts I have currently. I think I have 3. Yeah, I have 3 funded accounts. Interesting, sure. So let's see. That's how I pass it. You just move a bit closer. It's just $3,000, so not that much to pass, Not that this Forex is quite interesting. It is really, really interesting. You can see, trigger it, I could close it manually. And I don't need